So from the top, we've got the national junior champion, Tian BECKETT. From Ireland, we've got Shannon MCCURLEY. Then we've got the New South Wales Kierin champion, Maddy LAW. Then we've got Allee PROUD and the Wormwood Niche Living Kit, the junior world's medalist of last year. Tahlay CHRISTIE, the under-17 national track champion. And Isabella King, who is now the 2013 Westral Wheel Race champion for ladies. BECKETT, MCCURLEY, CHRISTIE, PROUD, Isabella King, and Maddy LAW. Has Isabella King got the speed to take on the fast girls? She's certainly got the strength.
But as we've said earlier, you've got to be impressed with Maddy LAW. Like, she's sitting at the back there, but she looks composed. She looks like she's doing it easy. The pace is now winding up. Let's have a look at what happens.
So the motorbike will leave the track this time. Tian BECKETT on the front. Bit of a difference in tactic this time for MCCURLEY. She's tried to get in front of one or two. Going to find herself in the box though, if she's not careful. Now, BECKETT, CHRISTIE round the outside. MCCURLEY jammed up on the wheel, trying to hold a position. Then you've got Isabella King, Allee PROUD and Maddy LAW as they go down the back straight. BECKETT has a look over the shoulder, sees the ominous figure of Isabella King. They go up the home straight now. King struggling this time to try and get round the hip of Tian BECKETT. Tian BECKETT too fast up the home straight. Has she got the strength to take on Isabella King? Tian BECKETT on the inside. King comes to her shoulder. PROUD trying to come from the clouds, but the smiling assassin Isabella King will take out yet another win.
And she is pumped. That was definitely a bonus for her, and she loves it. Tian BECKETT, there was nothing more that girl could have done in that race. She rode a fantastic race, but had nothing else left to offer. Allee PROUD sandwiched in the middle there. MCCURLEY nowhere to go. You could have thrown a blanket over them, but Bella King, what a win that was.
So another fantastic ride from